Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Commerce Pro. It is a 2024 registered vehicle and comes with a 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission. It's also finished in the stunning Costa Azul blue metallic paintwork. Taking a look at some of your exterior features, on the front you'll find your automatic headlights providing brilliant visibility. You've also got the electrically adjustable, folding and heated door mirror controls, so you can keep the frost at bay and fold them when parked. And around the rear you'll find the reversing camera aiding when manoeuvring, as well as parking sensors on the front and rear. Inside the load space you've got the barn style opening doors with a sliding side door, all for easy access. On the flooring you will find lashing rings for load restraint and ambient lighting above. Inside the driver's door card you'll find the electric windows and the controls for your electrically adjustable door mirrors. Inside the main area you've got some fantastic styling here, nice modern look, and you've also got the lovely cloth upholstered seating with the armrest there in the centre and the Ergo Comfort lumbar support adjustment for the driver. On the steering wheel you'll find the cruise control and speed limiter functions, as well as volume for the main media system. The next and back buttons are on the right of the steering wheel, as well as some controls for the digital cockpit display. Taking a look at this, we can adjust the dials on the right and left side of the screen to view various information, whether that be from the media system such as audio or trip computer information. Onto the main media system, starting off with your telephone, you can connect via Bluetooth for hands-free calling when on the go. You've also got plenty of listening with the USB and Bluetooth connectivity for personal media streaming, or you can use the FM/DAB radio for wave radio stations all across the country. It does come with a built-in navigation system as well, providing you easy directions as well as nearby points of interest on the map, ideal when you are somewhere you're unfamiliar. App Connect allows for USB smartphone integration, so you can use some of your apps through the screen. The parking sensors do give you that little diagram to the right, as well as the rear camera providing parking guidelines, all to make it a little bit easier. Climate controls can also be adjusted on screen with the nice easy functions displayed. Moving down from here you'll find some controls for that climate, so you can click through to it easy, as well as parking sensors in the camera. Underneath you'll find a 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, as well as a start stop engine button, automatic transmission in the centre, and then just behind that you'll find the electronic parking brake and plenty of storage. For more information visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.